Dear students, today I am going to teach you thermodynamics. First of all, we need to understand the meaning of thermodynamics. What is thermodynamics? It deals with the transfer of energy from one place to another and from one form to another. The key concept is that heat is a form of energy corresponding to a definite amount of mechanical work. Before we proceed, we need to understand clearly few terms and definitions which are as follows: system, surrounding and boundary. Now we start with the system. What is system? A thermodynamic system may be defined as any specified portion of matter in the universe which is under study. A system may consist of one or more substances. Then what is surrounding? The rest of the universe which might be in a position to exchange energy and matter with the system is called the surroundings. We can understand these terms by taking an example. Suppose 200 gram of water contained in a beaker constitutes the thermodynamic system. The beaker and the air in contact are surroundings. And another example is 1 mole of oxygen contained in a cylinder fitted with a piston is a thermodynamic system. Here, the cylinder and the piston and all other objects outside the cylinder form the surroundings. Here, the boundary between the system, it means oxygen, and the surrounding, that are cylinder and the piston, are clearly defined. There are two major types of systems such as homogeneous system and heterogeneous system. When a system is universe throughout, for example, a pure solid or liquid or a solution or a mixture of gases, is known as homogeneous system. In other words, a homogeneous system consists of only one phase. It is important part of the homogeneous system. Now, what is heterogeneous system? When a system is not uniform throughout, a heterogeneous system is one which consists of two or more phases. It can be understood by an example. A system consisting of two or more immiscible liquids or solid in contact with a liquid in which it does not dissolve is a heterogeneous system. A liquid in contact with its vapor is also a heterogeneous system because it consists of two phases. There are three types of thermodynamic systems depending on the nature of the boundary, which are as follows: isolated system, closed system, open system. What is isolated system? When the boundary in both sealed and insulated, no interaction is possible with the surroundings. Therefore, an isolated system is one that can transfer neither matter nor energy to and from its surroundings. For example, consider a system consisting of a liquid in contact with its vapor in a closed vessel. Since the vessel is closed, no matter can go out or enter in the vessel. If the vessel is insulated also, it can neither lose or gain heat from the surroundings. Thus, the system is an fully isolated system. And simple example is that boiling water contained in a thermos flask is another example of an isolated system, which is a common example. Second one is closed system. What is closed system? Here, the boundary is sealed but not insulated. Therefore, a closed system is one which cannot transfer matter but can transfer energy in the form of heat, work, and radiation to and from its surroundings. For example, a specific quantity of hot water contained in a sealed tube is an example of a closed system. While no water vapor can escape from this system, it can transfer only heat through the walls of the tube to the surroundings. Also, a gas contained in a cylinder with a piston constitutes a closed system. As the piston is raised, the gas expands and transfers heat in the form of to the surroundings. Now, third one is open system. In such system, the boundary is open and unisolated. Therefore, an open system is one which can transfer both energy and matter to and from its surroundings. For example, a common example, hot water contained in a beaker on laboratory table is an open system. The water vapor and also heat is transferred to the surroundings through the imaginary boundary. Macroscopic system. What is macroscopic system? The word macroscopic means on a large scale. This term therefore is used to convey the sense of appreciable quantities, that is quantity which can be weighed. A system is said to be macroscopic when it consists of a large number of molecules, atoms or ions. What are the macroscopic properties? The properties associated with a macroscopic system are called macroscopic properties. These properties are pressure, volume, temperature, composition, density, viscosity, surface tension, and many other properties are known as macroscopic properties. After that state of system, we proceed in the next lecture. So, today we end at this point. Thank you.